Today, we're going to make a delicious high-protein smoothie in just 5 minutes. This smoothie is perfect for a quick breakfast, a post-workout refuel, or even a healthy snack during the day. Packed with essential nutrients, it will keep you energized and satisfied. Follow along step by step, and you'll have a nutritious drink ready in no time. Let's get started. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need a cup of fresh or frozen fruits like berries or bananas, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, a cup of milk or a dairy-free alternative, and a handful of spinach for an extra boost of vitamins. Start by adding the fruits to the blender. Next, add the protein powder. This will give your smoothie that high protein content we're aiming for. Then pour in the milk or dairy-free alternative. Finally, toss in the spinach. Blend everything together until smooth. If you prefer a thicker consistency, you can add some ice cubes. And there you have it, a delicious high-protein smoothie ready in just 5 minutes. Enjoy your nutritious drink.